The concept of home has always been defined by 4 immovable walls and a concrete foundation. We dream of mansions, of sprawling estates with manicured lawns, believing that true luxury requires acres of land. But what if the ultimate expression of wealth and freedom was not fixed, but fluid? What if the most luxurious living room you've ever seen was not in Beverly Hills, but was parked on the edge of a cliff, overlooking the Pacific, or deep in the heart of a pine forest? Welcome to LUME Auto. Today, we are challenging the very definition of luxury with a motorhome living area so extravagant, so technologically advanced, and so perfectly engineered for comfort, that it carries a valuation of $500,000 for this one space alone. It is a living room that, in every single measurable way, is functionally and aesthetically superior to the static, restrictive drawing rooms of any traditional mansion. We are going to reveal the sheer genius of this space. The walls that disappear, the furniture that floats, and the technology that ensures your view is never, ever the same. The moment you step inside this incredible vehicle, the first sensation is one of space. Your brain instantly tries to correct itself. It registers the exquisite detailing, the vast, uninterrupted line of sight, and the panoramic views, and insists you are standing in a high-end penthouse apartment. But the truth is far more exciting. This feeling of endless space is achieved through the slide-out system, the single most expensive piece of engineering on this motorhome. With the touch of a single discrete control panel, the entire driver's side wall, a massive section spanning 20 feet, glides silently outward by several feet, instantly doubling the effective width of the room. This transformation is seamless. There is no jolt, no creaking. The floor expands, the seals lock, and the room instantly breathes. This is the ultimate luxury that no fixed home can offer: the ability to change its internal dimensions based on its surroundings and its occupants' needs. It is functional architecture on the move, and the reason why this living room alone demands its $500,000 price tag. Once deployed, the living room rivals the square footage of many urban apartments, a truly shocking feat of mechanical and structural engineering. Now, let's talk about the finishes, the tactile elements that elevate this space from a vehicle to a palace on wheels. The flooring is not carpet or laminate. It is a dark, hand-scraped Brazilian cherry hardwood, laid in a herringbone pattern, giving the space an air of old-world sophistication. The walls are wrapped in custom-dyed Italian leather panels, stitched with a diamond pattern that catches the ambient light. Above, the ceiling is a sheet of soft, suede-like Alcantara that absorbs sound, ensuring acoustic perfection. This commitment to premium materials extends to the furniture. The sofa is a bespoke piece, custom-built for the motorhome's dimensions, upholstered in a stain-resistant, hand-stitched silk blend. It is not just furniture. It is a marvel of spatial design. With a tap on a nearby control panel, the central section of the sofa can recline, offer a lumbar massage, or even rotate to face the newly revealed entertainment system. This is an environment where every single component is designed to maximize comfort and minimize clutter. The entertainment system in this living room is where the technology truly shines. Forget tiny pull-out screens. Integrated seamlessly into the wall panel that remains stationary is a massive 85-inch micro-LED television. This screen is ultra-high definition, virtually invisible when powered off, blending perfectly with the dark wall panels. But the screen is only half the story. The sound system is a fully integrated Dolby Atmos 7.1 surround system, with speakers hidden behind perforated leather panels in the walls and ceiling. The bass is delivered through a dedicated subwoofer located discreetly beneath the floorboards. The entire system creates a true cinematic bubble, ensuring that whether you are watching a blockbuster film or a simple news broadcast, the audio experience is flawless and immersive. The best part: the entire media console is protected from road vibration and movement, ensuring that this delicate technology remains perfect, regardless of the terrain outside. The ability to watch a world-class movie in a perfect, acoustically tuned environment, all while parked in a remote, stunning location, is a form of luxury that no mansion can replicate. The lighting within this $500,000 living room is an experience in itself. It is managed by a sophisticated Lutron automation system, which controls dozens of independent LED circuits. There are no harsh ceiling lights. Instead, the room is illuminated by a series of hidden light strips that cast a warm, ambient glow across the ceiling, accent lighting embedded in the floor to highlight the gorgeous hardwood, and small adjustable spotlights to illuminate artwork or reading areas. All lighting can be controlled via voice command, a tablet, or a smartphone. You can set scenes, sunset relax, which dims the lights and warms the color temperature, or reading focus, which brightens the overhead spotlights. Furthermore, the massive panoramic windows on the non-slide out side are fitted with electrochromic glass. This is a revolutionary feature that allows the glass to instantly transition from clear to fully opaque for privacy, or a semi-tinted shade for sun control, all electronically. This gives the occupant instant control over their environment, a powerful tool of luxury that balances privacy and an uncompromised connection to the outside world. Beyond the entertainment and the finishes, the living room is a functional workstation. Discreetly integrated into the wall panel next to the main seating area is a hidden desk. This is not a simple tray. It is a solid block of aluminum and cherry wood that glides out and extends to form a full-sized executive workstation. It features built-in wireless charging pads, hidden USB-C and standard power ports, and a small integrated reading lamp. This allows the owner to conduct global business or manage an investment portfolio from anywhere in the world, with a level of comfort and privacy that no crowded coffee shop or airport lounge can rival. The motorhome is equipped with a dedicated Starlink satellite internet system, providing high-speed, low-latency broadband connectivity, ensuring that the owner is always connected, even when they are completely off-grid. The concept of mobility without compromise is the core philosophy here. You can literally take your corner office, your cinema, and your five-star lounge to the most remote corners of the planet. To further elevate the utility of the space, the motorhome living room features a dedicated mini bar and climate-controlled wine cellar. Tucked neatly into the wall between the living room and the kitchen area is a motorized glass door. Behind it lies a compact wine cellar, perfectly chilled and humidity-controlled, capable of storing 24 of the owner's most prized bottles. Next to this is the minibar, featuring a silent, recessed refrigerator stocked with top-shelf mixers and a small mirrored area for crystal glasses. This isn't just a place to store drinks, it's a social hub. The area includes a small, pull-out marble counter, creating a perfect space for a cocktail preparation, allowing the owner to entertain guests with style. This feature adds a dimension of sophistication, making the motorhome an ideal setting for intimate, high-end gatherings, proving that the luxury living room is ready for social interaction, not just solitary relaxation. The climate control system of the motorhome, dedicated largely to this expansive living room, is a marvel of engineering. It is a multi-zone HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system that operates with near-silent efficiency. Utilizing multiple small vents cleverly concealed within the ceiling panels and behind the baseboards, it ensures that the temperature is uniform and precisely controlled, eliminating cold spots or drafts. The system also includes an advanced air purification system with HEPA filters and UVC sterilization lights. This means the air quality inside the motorhome is scientifically superior to the air outside, removing allergens, pollutants, and odors. In a world increasingly concerned with wellness, the luxury of breathing perfectly pure air, regardless of whether you are parked next to a dusty construction site or a smoky bonfire, is a powerful selling point. The living room is not just visually stunning. It is a haven for health and comfort. The final piece of the living room's $500,000 puzzle is the exterior connection. The slide-out section has a dedicated set of motorized awnings that deploy instantly, creating a shaded, seamless extension of the living space outside. Furthermore, a section of the wall near the driver's cab contains a hidden compartment that opens to reveal an outdoor entertainment system. This includes a retractable, weatherproof 60-inch outdoor screen and a pair of powerful external marine-grade speakers. This turns the surrounding area into an open-air extension of the living room, perfect for hosting outdoor movie nights or enjoying music under the stars. The ability to instantly expand the living and entertaining space from the luxurious interior to the beautiful exterior is the ultimate form of integrated design, ensuring that the motorhome is always in harmony with its environment. This is the luxury of choice, of having the finest indoors and the perfect outdoors, all at the push of a single button. In summary, this is not a motorhome living room built to merely save space. It is a highly engineered, custom-designed environment built to surpass the functionality and luxury of a traditional home. The $500,000 valuation is not just for the marble and the leather. It is for the Starlink connectivity, the Lutron automation, the Dolby Atmos system, the Electrochromic Glass, and the monumental slide-out engineering. It is a philosophical statement that proves that true, modern luxury is about mobility, self-sufficiency, and uncompromised comfort. It's about being able to watch a film on an 85-inch screen from a reclining leather sofa, all while your view is a rotating gallery of the world's most beautiful landscapes. A fixed mansion can offer one amazing view. This motorhome offers an infinite number. It is the pinnacle of kinetic luxury, and for the true connoisseur of freedom and comfort, this living room is simply better than any mansion money can buy. It is the future of high-end dwelling,